Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the GTA 5 Enhanced DirectX 11 not supported error. First, update your graphics drivers. This is the most common reason for this problem. Go to the official website of your graphics card, either NVIDIA or AMD. Download the latest driver for your GPU and install it. Do not rely on Device Manager because it often installs outdated drivers. After installing, restart your computer and try launching the game again. Next, verify the game files. If any files are missing or corrupted, this can cause DirectX errors. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on GTA 5 and click on Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. If you are using Epic Games or Rockstar Launcher, the steps are similar. Just find the Verify or Repair option in the game settings. Finally, install or repair DirectX. Sometimes important DirectX files are missing or broken. Download the DirectX End-User Runtime web installer from Microsoft's official website. Run the installer and let it fix any issues. Once done, restart your system. After completing all these steps, open GTA 5 again, and the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.